Okay, you gotta forgive the mess here, but I'm hurting for space. So we're out here. What I did was I took the supers full of honey. I set them on this box that we built. Okay, so it looks like that. The box is just an empty chamber. I layered plastic on top of it so no dust particles, things like that would get in the honey. Underneath the plastic, I've got a dehumidifier. So what we're trying to do is pull excess moisture out of the honey. And I have it on here for like 3 days before I even start to extract. So I'm trying to get the moisture content down below. The box on the end, as you can see, let me get this out of here. You've got a cone shape feeding into the box, so the larger box underneath there is completely empty. It's completely open underneath the honey supers. And I've got a box fan right here constantly blowing air in so it gets up through the frames. You can see the plastic raising up off the honey super. So air is constantly moving, keeping air on the honey, excuse me, help dry it out. And of course the dehumidifier's pulling out all that moisture. So that's my setup to dry the honey out before we do the extraction. Okay, with some supers removed, you can see what this is. It's just a open chamber for it to air out, dry out. That fan blows, goes up through the frames, keeps air moving on it. It helps pull out lowers the moisture content of the honey.